Yo, peace and love, everybody. I'm back at it with another video. Before I get started, I have to thank everybody, old subscribers, current subscribers, and the ones that are about to hit the subscribe button right now. Today, we have the Air Jordan 85, white varsity red, and white 9.5. These are coming from Kixie. This is a promotional video. They sent me the shoe for free to bring you guys a educational video about the shoe. So before we get too deep, let's go ahead and just scan the box while we got the box out right now. Nothing comes up. That's okay because we don't wear the box. No big deal. QR code brings up Nike. I guess that's a good thing. And who's that? Okay. Whoa. Okay. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this one, guys. We have the 85 Air Jordan 1. This one threw me for a loop because of how it was constructed, and I'll touch on that a little bit later. So let's go ahead and pull these bad boys out. There is no crazy smell. They just smell like a normal box shoe, no strong glue, no finish line or foot action type smell. This shoe actually is a sort of a remake or a replica of the old Air Jordan from 1984-85, and you can tell right off the bat from that Air Jordan right there that there's a really old school Jordan. See how small it is? It still doesn't look like the old 85, but they tried to put a little something on it. So let's go ahead and take a look at just kind of the whole shoe real quick. I'm going to try not to keep this video too long. So just look at the stitching quality. I'm going to kind of go around, look at the build quality, look at the white leather. And this leather is not tumbled at all. And back in 85, Nike was kind of just starting out. So they didn't have all the premium materials like Converse and Adidas. The leather, which you see here, it was probably actually worse back in 1985 than what you see here. But there is no tumbled in here. It's very smooth and it's soft, but it's not tumbled at all. When I first saw that, I was like, whoa, what did they send me? Then I went back and did my homework, and I talked with a couple of my Conrads about it, and they were like, yo, they're supposed to look like that, man. Go look on StockX. And I was like, But look at the hourglass shape. It's there. Take a peek at that curvature. There's supposed to be a slight curve pointing up, and I think they nailed it on this pair. And the sole's a little different as well too. Here's the Nike Air on the tongue, and it has two little R's on it. The newer ones don't have the two R's for the Nike and the Nike word, so just little differences. The back of the tongue, the writing doesn't look that great, but I'm guessing back in 84 the stitching probably wasn't that great either, so I'm gonna say that's accurate too. Here's the medial side of the sneaker. It's plain Jane. I love the colorway, by the way. I love red and white sneakers, but it's plain Jane. Look at that toe box. It's plain. You won't see a tumble in there at all. And this is how the originals looked. I watched a couple videos about like the quote-unquote authentic pair and how they look. These look pretty much the same. Like I didn't see anything different. Like, oh, I didn't see anything different. So just kind of look at the close details on this. And yes, the toe box is supposed to come up that high. It is. Go on StockX right now and take a look at the picture. I'll have a picture a little later, so just hang on. But just kind of look at the pinch point from where the stitching goes. Look at all that stuff. Pause if you need to. The bottoms are not the same as a traditional Jordan 1. It's a lot smoother. There's not so many ridges in it. So look at this. Pick up your Air Jordan 1 and take a look at that. Here's a close look at the heel. Look how smooth that leather is. No tumble. That's just what it was. We got 9.5, and I'm guessing that's the manufacturing date from back in the day. Came with one set of white laces. I think the red looks good, but I'll try the white. I'll mix it up for you guys. There's the sole. There's all the information from that time. November 14th, 1984. I think this is a really cool. I love when they do a little stuff like this. This is dope. And it's kind of on there too. And it's really squishy. I was shocked that they gave you something this squishy. This is dope. I want to put this in other Jordans. I love that. Inside construction. Just giving you guys a quick peek. There's a lot that go into these shoes, man. It's crazy. I can't see the manufacturer date. Let me see. It is, I don't know. I'll just post it on the screen somewhere. But anyway, guys, I love the shoe. I didn't like it at first because I didn't know how it was supposed to be constructed and the theme behind it, but now I love it. Here is what the OG pack looks like. I did not get this pack because I didn't get both of the shoes. I really wish I would have got this card though. So Kixie, come on. And I love stuff like this. Like, I really wanted this. It shows you how the shoe was constructed. Man. But, you know, it is what it is. It was a free shoe. So let's just jump right into the black lighting segment. I did remember to do the black lighting this time. Somebody mentioned on my Royal Toe video that I didn't black light it. So I will black light it. So the stitching is just popping out on this one. And I'm guessing that's how it's supposed to look. There were no ink marks on the sole. So no ink there. Just give you a quick little look around the sneaker. Nothing really stood out but the stitching. Let's go around. Now I have to the right is the Jordan New Beginning. And in the middle I have a pair of white and navy metallics from a little bit ago. Just wanted to see how the stitching looked on that pair. That's an authentic pair I purchased. And that shoe is predominantly white, so just kind of look at the stitching on there. There's no ink on the sole of that one either. And then to the far left, I have the Blue Toe from Kixie, another Kixie product. And that one did have the ink. That shoe was just beautiful. I'm sorry, like that. They nailed it on this one. They nailed it on this one too, but that was great. So that's a look at all three of them. Just to mix it up a little bit for you guys. Here's a look at the toe boxes to show you there's no tumble at all existing on the New Beginning. And here's the back of them so you can kind of see how they were cut. The cut of the New Beginning, that is accurate. It's a little bit more pointed upward. So they got that right. Here's close-ups of the sole. You see that's different. It's totally different how they kind of mix the texture of those two together. We'll have another look at the Air Jordan. You see the differences there, very obvious. And that little piece right there is more V-cutted. You might have to pause that. Right, let's do the on feet, on foot, whatever you want to call it. I actually love these sneakers. Like, they really stand out. I don't think I have too many white and red kicks besides the white and red 13s. But anyway, look at the tongues. The tongues are cut a little higher than normal, which I do like. I can't decide if I like the red lace or if I like the white lace, because both of them look good. I usually like a clean look with the white lace, but I just don't know. They both fire. I don't know. You guys be the judge. Let me know in the comments. Prefer the red lace, the white lace. I'll probably keep the red lace in. I don't know. Just tell me what you think. But these do feel a little longer and a little stiffer. Like, not uncomfortable, but just old school feeling. Like, not as much cushion. Even though they have that thick padded sole, they're just not as cushiony and soft as a newer Jordan 1. I'll just say that much. So if you guys like this shoe, go ahead and hit me up on IG. We can talk a little bit in depth. You guys have been doing that. It's been dope. It's been working. I've been getting to all the questions. I have no more DMs at the time of making this video. But on the other hand, these Jordans caught me off guard. I thought they were a bad batch. They're actually an excellent batch. And I wish I had another pair, hint, hint, Kixie, or any other people that are watching the video that want to, give your boy another free shoe. And this is actually a great addition. If you're like a Jordan 1 aficionado like myself, you need a pair of 85s in your collection. Like, I couldn't even lace these up. They're so fresh. The actual New Beginnings pack did release this year in February, and it was $350. And it was extremely limited, so nobody really got it. I mean, it's on StockX for like what, 2,500 at this point. I think the last sale was for like 1,900 for a size 10. So I mean, this is kind of why I delve into these type of sneakers that I make videos for, because a lot of the heat is just unattainable to us regular people out there. And then it's like, do you want to pay those prices? But anyway, that's another day for another story. I love you guys. I have the absolute best YouTube subscribers, and IG followers now in the whole freaking world. Go ahead and follow me on IG so we can chat it up. Until the next time, I have like 15 more packs coming from sponsored videos. So take it easy. Peace and love. 1.